You're not tired, you're distracted. That's the truth most people don't want to hear. You wake up, check your phone, scroll for a bit, tell yourself you'll start later, and suddenly it's night. Again, every day feels busy, but nothing actually changes. You're watching other people build their lives while you're stuck thinking about yours. And here's the brutal part. You're not just wasting time, you're wasting your life. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why this keeps happening. And more importantly, how to fix it starting today. The real problem: you're addicted to easy dopamine. Your brain isn't wired for long-term success. It's wired for short-term comfort. That means it will always choose what feels easy right now over what actually matters later. Scrolling feels good. Watching videos feels productive. Planning your goals feels like progress. But none of it moves your life forward. It just keeps you comfortable. And comfort is the trap. The real problem isn't that you're lazy, it's that your brain has been trained to avoid effort. Every notification, every quick hit of entertainment is teaching your brain that instant reward is better than real progress. So when it's time to do something hard, your brain resists, not because you're weak, but because you've trained it that way. Truth number one, you're waiting to feel ready. You keep telling yourself, I'll start when I feel motivated. But that moment never comes, because motivation doesn't come first, action does. Right now, you're stuck in a loop of thinking, planning, overanalyzing, but never actually starting. You wait for the perfect mood, the perfect time, the perfect plan. And while you're waiting, nothing happens. Here's the shift. You don't need more motivation. You need less hesitation. Start messy. Start small. Start before you feel ready. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. Truth number two, you're consuming more than you create. Think about your day. How much time do you spend watching versus building? You watch successful people. You watch productivity videos. You watch people living the life you want. But what did you create today? That imbalance is the reason you feel stuck. You don't feel lost because you don't know what to do. You feel lost because you're not doing anything with what you know. Consuming gives you the illusion of progress. Creating gives you real progress. Even something small, writing one idea, learning one skill, taking one step, starts to shift your identity from observer to builder. Truth number three, your environment is designed to make you fail. Let's be clear. You're not fighting yourself. You're fighting an environment designed to keep you distracted. Your phone is engineered to hold your attention. Notifications interrupt your focus. Apps are built to keep you scrolling, not succeeding. So of course, it feels hard to focus. You're surrounded by systems that profit from your distraction. But here's the good news. You can change the environment. Put your phone in another room. Clean your workspace. Remove distractions before you rely on discipline. Because discipline is hard, but good environments make it easier. The fix, the 3-step reset. So here's how you take your life back, starting now. First, cut the noise. Reduce the constant input. Less scrolling, less distraction. Second, pick one direction, not 10 goals. Not a perfect plan, just one thing you want to move forward in. Third, take action every single day, even if it's small. Because momentum beats perfection. You don't become productive by thinking about your life. You become productive by moving in it. Here's the truth most people avoid. Nobody is coming to fix your life. No perfect moment, no sudden motivation, no external rescue. But that's also the best part, because it means you're in control. You can change everything, starting today. So ask yourself, what's one thing you've been avoiding that you can start right now? Not tomorrow, not later, today. Drop it in the comments. And if you want more real practical ways to take control of your life, subscribe. Because change doesn't come from waiting, it comes from starting.